In the realm of high-performance computing, thermal management reigns supreme. As CPUs become more powerful, so too does the need for efficient cooling solutions. Enter the realm of closed-loop liquid coolers, also known as all-in-one coolers. These self-contained units offer superior heat dissipation compared to traditional air coolers, allowing you to push your system to its limits without compromising stability. Lian Galahad 2 Performance 360, the king of cooling. For those seeking the absolute pinnacle of cooling prowess, the Lian Galahad 2 Performance 360 reigns supreme. This behemoth boasts a 360mm radiator, coupled with 3 high static pressure fans specifically designed for maximum heat transfer. This translates to exceptional thermal performance, capable of handling even the most demanding overclocked CPUs with ease. The Galahad 2 doesn't compromise on aesthetics either. Its infinity mirror design with addressable RGB LEDs creates a mesmerizing visual spectacle, seamlessly integrating with your existing RGB ecosystem. Software control allows for customization of lighting effects, enabling you to tailor the look to your preferences. While the Galahad 2 excels in performance and looks, it's important to consider its size. The 360mm radiator demands ample case space, and installation might require meticulous planning for some chassis configurations. Additionally, the premium features come at a premium price, making it an investment for enthusiasts seeking the absolute best. Arctic Liquid Freezer 3280 A-RGB, the value champion. For those prioritizing value without sacrificing performance, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3280 A-RGB emerges as a compelling contender. This 280mm radiator AIO offers excellent cooling capacity at a competitive price point. Its innovative VRM fan cools not just the CPU but also the surrounding voltage regulation module, VRM, ensuring optimal system stability under heavy loads. The Liquid Freezer 3 boasts a sleek design with addressable RGB lighting, adding a touch of flair to your build. The included A-RGB fans are surprisingly quiet, even at high RPMs, creating a well-balanced solution for both performance and noise levels. Installation is generally straightforward, and the included thermal paste ensures a seamless application process. However, the 280mm radiator might not be ideal for those aiming to cool the most extreme processors. Nevertheless, for the price, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 offers exceptional value and is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious builders seeking a robust cooling solution. MSI MEG CoreLiquid S360, the silent sovereign. If near-silent operation is your primary concern, then the MSI MEG CoreLiquid S360 deserves your attention. This 360mm radiator AIO leverages high-quality Silent Gale P12 fans, renowned for their exceptional airflow at remarkably low noise levels. Even under heavy loads, the S360 maintains whisper-quiet operation, making it ideal for noise-sensitive environments. MSI hasn't compromised on aesthetics either. The MEG CoreLiquid boasts a stylish infinity mirror design with addressable RGB lighting, controllable through the intuitive MSI Center software. The pump block itself features a small LCD screen that can display system temperatures or even custom animations. Performance-wise, the S360 delivers excellent cooling capabilities, keeping even the hottest CPUs under control. The pre-applied thermal paste ensures a simple installation process. However, the 360mm radiator demands ample case space, and the premium features come at a premium price tag. Corsair iCUE H170i Elite Capellix XT, the RGB extravaganza. For those who prioritize aesthetics above all else, the Corsair iCUE H170i Elite Capellix XT is a visual masterpiece. This 420mm radiator AIO boasts a massive surface area for exceptional heat dissipation. The centerpiece, however, is the integration of Corsair's cutting-edge Capellix RGB fans. These fans utilize high-performance AF120 fans with a stunning white LED array, creating a truly mesmerizing lighting experience. The iCUE H170i Elite Capellix XT integrates seamlessly with Corsair's iCUE software, allowing for comprehensive customization of lighting effects, fan curves, and even pump speeds. While the software offers ample control, it can be overwhelming for some users. Performance-wise, The H170i Elite Capellix XT is a beast. The 420mm radiator ensures exceptional cooling capacity, making it ideal for overclocking enthusiasts or users with extremely demanding workloads. However, the sheer size of the radiator necessitates a case with ample space for a 420mm unit. Additionally, the combination of premium features and a massive radiator translates to a hefty price tag. Deepcool Gammaxx L240 V2, the budget powerhouse. For those on a tight budget but still seeking an effective cooling solution, the Deepcool Gammaxx L240 V2 emerges as a reliable option. This 240mm radiator AIO offers surprisingly good cooling performance for its price point. The included fans are decent performers, and while not the quietest, they provide adequate airflow for most mainstream CPUs. The Gammaxx L240 V2 adopts a more traditional design aesthetic, focusing on functionality over flashy features. The lack of RGB lighting might be a drawback for some, but it also contributes to its competitive price tag. Installation is generally straightforward, making it a user-friendly option for builders of all experience levels. While the Gammaxx L240 V2 excels in value, it's important to acknowledge its limitations. The 240mm radiator might struggle to keep extremely high-end overclocked CPUs cool. Additionally, the included fans might not be ideal for noise-sensitive users. That concludes our exploration of the top 5 CPU liquid coolers for 2024. With a variety of options catering to different needs and budgets, there's a perfect AIO cooler out there waiting to unleash the potential of your system. For extended information and up-to-date pricing on each cooler, be sure to check the links below in the video description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech content to keep your rig running cool and optimized.